Hello there, and today I'm here with a video about the Nuwave air fryer. So this has a lot of different settings. This is the display panel up here, and you can change everything with the buttons. It has a bunch of different temps and buttons. This is the handle, and you do get a bunch of different ones to put in there, and as you can see, you can interchange them. So if you're baking like a chicken, a turkey, anything, or if you're just trying to do like some fries, you could do a bunch of fries on different levels. It is pretty big, as you can see. This is the power cord for it right here, so nothing too big. And you're still able to put another one on the bottoms so it doesn't take up like a whole socket. Everything, all the air comes out up top, so everything is pretty safe. And you do actually get an app that teaches you how to use it, and or just gives you good recipes to try, or if you have any questions on how to cook something. So yeah, highly recommend. And thank you so much for watching.